Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy channel. My name is Andrew. Today we are going to explore the Proxifier proxy client, its features and use cases. Let's begin our review. Proxifier is a versatile tool that allows you to route traffic from any program on your computer through proxy servers. This is indeed particularly useful for applications that lack built-in proxy support. The software supports redirection through SOCKS 5 and HTTPS protocols and enables the creation of complex proxy chains. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android operating systems. Proxifier offers flexible DNS settings that can be tailored to different tasks. You can keep standard system settings, route DNS queries through a proxy, or use a hybrid mode. In the latter, features like automatic discovery and exception lists configuration are available. For use in a business environment, Proxifier supports advanced authentication protocols such as Kerberos and NTLM, making it an excellent choice for securing network access in a corporate setting. Moreover, users can easily configure network configurations. Now let's discuss the pricing plans of Proxifier. A permanent license for Proxifier for Windows and macOS costs $39.95, which includes free updates for all future versions. Discounts are available when purchasing multiple licenses, from $34.99 each for 2 or more to $24.99 each for 100 or more licenses. Custom terms are available for orders of 200 licenses or more. Let's launch Proxifier and examine its interface. The main window of the program consists of several tabs: Connections, Traffic, and Statistics. Let's review each of these in detail. Connections tab displays a list of all active connections managed by Proxifier, conveniently categorized. Applications shows which applications have initiated connections. Target displays the addresses of target hosts and port numbers. Status time records the time elapsed since the last status change. Proxy rule indicates the name of the applied proxy rule and the address or location of the proxy server being used. Traffic tab. Data transfer is represented graphically here. Blue indicates incoming traffic. Green shows outgoing traffic. Black horizontal lines represent data transfer speed levels. Also, a white indicator shows the average data transfer speed over a selected period. You can customize the update frequency of the graph, the display type, clearing the graph. Key performance indicators of Proxifier are displayed on the Statistics tab. Total number of connections, active, completed, total, amount of data transferred, sent and received. Program operation time. You can also copy the statistics to the clipboard. Reset all data. Here you can view the action logs in real time. Each entry contains date and time of the event, name of programs, including x64 icon and process identifier if applicable, and connection targets, hosts or IP addresses. Action logs. Proxifier meticulously records all actions such as opening or closing connections. Additional data provided includes connection statistics, error codes. Logs can be saved to a file for analysis. Customize the level of detail using the log command in the program menu. Proxy rules tab allows you to process connection parameters. You can direct traffic directly, route through a specific proxy or chain of proxies, block completely. The order of rules is crucial as Proxifier processes them from top to bottom. To manage the rules you have, arrow buttons to change the order, double-click to edit, delete rules using the delete key. Thus, the Proxifier interface allows convenient management of connections, tracking of traffic, and detailed analysis of program operations. DNS settings. Proxifier ensures precise handling of DNS queries, responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses. In the settings, you can specify how DNS queries are processed, define routes for their execution. Regarding advanced settings, Proxifier offers additional options to enhance flexibility, security, and performance, including encryption settings, connection processing management, configuration of HTTP proxies under specific security standards, standards. To sum up, it's clear that Proxifier is a multifunctional tool that allows rerouting traffic from any program on your computer through proxy servers. It enables bypassing local network restrictions and firewall for applications that do not support working through proxy servers. This provides freedom to use the required software, increased control over network activity, enhanced security and anonymity by routing all internet traffic through one port. These features are especially valuable in a corporate environment where confidentiality and reliability are priorities. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.